In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your tasks assigned or not in ClickUp. If you're brand new to ClickUp or just brushing up, this walkthrough will help you quickly understand where everything lives and how to focus on what matters. Assigning tasks in ClickUp is key because it creates clear ownership. When every task has a designated owner, automations, reminders, and reporting work exactly as intended, and managers can use tools like workload to prevent burnout and keep team capacity balanced. But even with great assignments, you still need a fast way to see it all, yours and unassigned. So let's get you there. First, open ClickUp and log in. Take a moment to enter your credentials carefully. Typos are common, so double-check spelling and avoid extra spaces if you're copying and pasting. A smooth login sets you up for the rest of the flow without interruptions. Once you're in, head to the Home view from the top left sidebar. Home is your central command center. It pulls together tasks across your spaces and lists so you can review everything in one place. This is where you can see tasks assigned to you and anything unassigned that might still need an owner. Think of it as your daily dashboard for awareness and quick action. If you want to narrow your view to only what's on your plate, switch to Assign to Me in My Tasks. This effectively turns on a personal filter so you're not distracted by items that aren't yours. It's perfect for focus time, sprint execution, or end-of-day cleanup. When you're ready to broaden your scope again and include unassigned tasks, come back to Home and make sure you're not limited to just your assignments. While you're in Home, pay special attention to the sections that highlight due today and overdue tasks. These areas are designed to surface urgency automatically, helping you prioritize without digging through lists. Use them as your quick triage. Confirm what absolutely needs attention now, then scan the rest to plan what's next. A quick recap. Log in carefully. Go straight to Home to see the full picture, including unassigned items, and use Assign to Me in My Tasks when you want a focused, personal cue. This simple rhythm keeps your day organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.